Everyone. As a matter of fact, we discuss many things about life, about locality, about personality, about countries own and about countries foreign one. India has got some sort of controversy in the world. People think it over that this is the country of saints, this is the country of the snake charmers, and so forth. You can see. One of the foreigner, Mr. Carlyle, an educationist, he read too much about the country. Not to speak of country about the religious books, maybe Gita is there, Ramayana is there, another just Puranas and Mahabharatas. He wrote the thing, and this much of the thing simply just made him just think like that. If the books depict so much, why not India to be seen like that? One day decided to come to India, and there at the airport, whosoever person come with a view to see him off, he simply asked them, "What gift should I bring for you?" Everybody told many sort of things. But for the first time, when he just landed there at Palam airport, he saw nobody there. All of a sudden, when he comes out of the airport, he saw a lot of people to be assembled there in a particular place. They were getting turban, white one, even clothing white one. They were actually attending one of the meeting of the Kisan rally like that. He just asked the people about the places, and they started just giving the fragmented response. And this is how he came to the conclusion. Is it the country India where people assemble with a view to listen to the bogus lecture of a leader? Have they got enough time to kill, enough money to kill, just killing their own work like that? This was the first impression with the man about India. Second, he had read somewhere. The city Banaras is situated at the trident of Lord Shiva, and there is a belief whosoever person actually dies there at Banaras, they get direct passport to heaven. He simply thought, why not? Why is it not so? I should actually take a dip there, just in the river Ganges, because this is a holy river. Yeah, this is a holy river. He made all his race to be kept at the bank of the river. By the time he just actually goes inside river Ganges, he came across something, he touches something. When he caught hold of the thing, there was a dead body. He came out of the river and then asked the people, why do you just throw this dead body in the river? They told it over there, this is because of salvation. Then, being an Englishman belonging to a foreign country, he simply told it about that in your religious book it is written, it is not the body that gets salvation, it is the soul gets salvation. If you throw the dead body, this is because of the region, you are polluting the river. You simply throw it like this. Second, when he came out of the river, he found his entire things to be missing. This was the third impression of this man about India. After that, he came to just like Maharashtra. People started telling it over that it is our Maharashtra. When he came to just Bengal, people started telling it over that this is Amar Sonar Bangla. People said. He visited many parts of country, and nowhere, not a single person he got who can tell it over that India is my country. This is what he just actually get in the mind to be fixed, heart to be just enclosed, and left our country. No question our country has got mystery. All the people are not like this. Even then, person look at the vicinity, look at the country, look at the territory with their spectacular eye, and this is what a country is defined on the part of the ideology, on the part of the theology of a foreign national. Thank you very much. Thank you.